Welcome to Moimodo. First, log into Moimodo on render.com. Connect your website by entering its name and URL. Once your site is added, open the site settings and go to widget settings. In the new window, create a new widget. For this example, we'll add a pop-up with an image and a button. Select the gallery and media type and give your widget a name. Upload an image from your computer. Then set up the button, add your text, and adjust any other settings you need. When you're ready, save your widget and preview how it looks. If everything looks good, copy the embed code. Paste the code into the footer section of your website. You only need to add the code once. After that, you can manage all your widgets directly from the Moimodo admin panel. Save your changes and refresh your website. That's it. Your widget is now live.